Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I made instant bread sandwich. This recipe is really yummy, easy to make, and takes less than 15 minutes to prepare. If you want to see how I made it, watch this video to the very end, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. To make this sandwich, I used mayonnaise for spreading, some chicken slices, 2.5 cups water, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons powdered milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and some cheese slices. The first thing I did was to add the eggs to a blender. Then I added the sugar, the milk, the salt, the oil, and the water. Next, I blended this until everything was well mixed. Then I added the flour to the mix. And also the baking powder. Then I proceeded to blend everything together for a second time. Until a smooth texture was achieved. Then I melted some butter in a pan and I used a pastry brush to spread the butter all over the pan. Then I added the batter to form a circle. After which I allowed the batter to cook for about 3 minutes on that side until it formed bubbles on the surface. Then I flipped the bread to cook it on the other side. When the other side was done, I added mayonnaise to the top of the bread. You could use any spread of your choice, it doesn't have to be mayonnaise. And I just spread all over the top of the bread. Then I added my chicken slices. And also a slice of cheese. Then I used a spatula to gently flip the other half of the bread over the chicken and cheese slices to form the sandwich. Then I allowed it to cook for about 30 seconds, after which I flipped the sandwich over to the other side and I allowed that side cook for another 30 seconds. And after that, the sandwich was ready and it's ready to be served with any drink you want. If you watched this video to this point, that means you watched this video to the very end. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll be happy to read them. And until I see you in the next video, please subscribe to this channel and